Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So I saw this on a YouTube clip, someone having a vacuum cleaner up onto the oil filler, and on this car I'm going to be changing over a sump washer. It's already got the oil in the engine, so all we need to do is just change the sump washer just to stop that leak. So yeah, I'm going to try it, see if it stops the oil coming out. So let's switch it on. It works. How funny is that? Right, get the selected washer. Fits on it. Try to do it one-handed. My hand's twisted all round the wrong way. Job done. Fantastic. Oh, that was awesome. That worked very well. Very pleased with that. There we go. Need to change the sump washer. Put a vacuum cleaner on the top of the oil filler neck. So there hasn't got to be anything special. All I did was just wrap some paper towel around. Yeah, wrap a piece of paper, folded it up, just made it so it fits snug inside the hole, and then sealed it with another piece over the top of that. Awesome.